1.5 करोड़ में गुड़गांव में कुछ नहीं मिलता, सेज हु? ये देखो, हम हैं M3M अंतालिया हिल्स की साइट पर, in the heart of Sector 79, Gurgaon. यहाँ you can buy a 3.5 BHK independent floor starting 1.5 crores और possession शुरू होने वाला है by the end of 2025. This is a low-rise project rising to just 4 floors, offering 2.5 BHK and 3.5 BHK independent floors. The 2.5 BHK units come with a super area of 1,139 square feet, while the 3.5 BHK units have 1,534 square feet. Prices start at 1.5 crores and go up to 2 crore, which works out to around 13,500 rupee per square feet. And here's the interesting part. The builder is offering an additional utility room in the basement with each unit. This room is about 15 by 15 in size and can be used as a guest room, office, kids room, or even a small gym. So even if you buy a 2.5 BHK for 1.5 crore, you'll essentially be getting a 3.5 BHK, making it a great deal. Every unit also comes with terrace access, where you'll find gazebos, swings, seating areas, and beautiful plantations. You could even host a party there. Plus, each unit has stilt-level car parking. The layout of the building is well planned with 2 cores in each building, and each floor will have 2 units divided into the 2 cores. The building will also have 2 high-speed lifts, and every unit in the project comes with premium features like Italian marble flooring, modular kitchens, VRV air conditioning, and more. Now, let's talk about the project. Antalya Hills is spread across 53 acres of land, with Phase 1 covering 8 acres and 636 units, expected for possession by December 2025. Phase 2 spans 45 acres with 2,068 units, and possession will be available by December 2026. The project has 5 blocks: pine, palm, oak, maple, and ebony. The project also features 2 luxurious clubhouses with a gym, swimming pool, and community centers for residents to enjoy. The location offers great connectivity with easy access to NH8, Dwarka Expressway, and IGI Airport, which is 32 kilometers away. Plus, it's close to major commercial hubs. Builder is offering a flexible payment plan of 30/70, where you pay 30% of the total unit cost at the time of booking and 70% at the time of possession. Plus, you get 26 months of free maintenance. What about the builder, you ask? M3M is a popular brand and has delivered 21 projects in the last 15 years. Some of the popular projects are M3M Golf Hills, M3M Mansion, M3M Crown. Almost 11 projects are currently under construction, which includes M3M Cullinan, Noida's most expensive project. So if you're looking for a spacious home in a prime location with top-notch amenities and great connectivity, M3M Antalya Hills could be the perfect choice. You can also check out Bestech Altura, Mapsco Mount Ville, and Raheja Ayana residences in the same sector, offering 3 and 4 BHK apartments at a starting price of rupees 1.9 crore. For more such project videos, explore 99 Shots only on 99 Acres app.